Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Matski House, a home designed by Zrobim Architects, located in Matski, Belarus. This modern home boasts a stunning architectural design that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The elegant wooden facade and expansive glass windows provide breathtaking panoramic views, while the elevated deck creates an inviting outdoor living space, perfectly complementing the lush greenery. Thoughtfully integrated with nature, the house is framed by trees that enhance its aesthetic charm. The minimalist design stands out with clean lines and an open layout, maximizing natural light throughout the space. A side view reveals a gravel pathway leading to the entrance, accompanied by a sleek concrete pillar that adds a contemporary touch. This home is a perfect fusion of functionality and beauty, showcasing innovative design principles. Stepping inside, the living room immediately captivates with its striking contrast of a solid concrete wall and a warm wooden ceiling. The open concept layout allows spaces to flow seamlessly, with large windows flooding the room with natural light and enhancing its minimalist aesthetic. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors create a perfect indoor-outdoor living experience, offering stunning views of the surrounding greenery. The dining area features a long wooden table that complements the ceiling's natural texture, while the modern kitchen blends effortlessly with the living space, characterized by clean lines and sleek fixtures. A standout feature of this home is its glass-enclosed indoor garden, seamlessly merging nature with the sleek concrete structure. The clean lines and minimalist approach create an open, airy space that maximizes natural light, enhancing the overall ambience. Designed for both productivity and tranquility, the home office combines wood and concrete elements, while large windows bring in natural light and offer a serene view of the outdoors. The kitchen beautifully blends modern and natural elements. A wooden ceiling and expansive glass windows create a bright and airy atmosphere. The minimalist design maximizes natural light, enhancing both functionality and visual appeal. The bedroom exudes warmth and sophistication, with a rustic wooden ceiling contrasting against a sleek concrete wall, creating a modern yet cozy ambience. Large glass doors seamlessly connect the interior with the outdoor deck, allowing natural light to pour in while offering breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery.